Before we begin the Project Zombie mipad 4 video, I want to talk to you guys a little bit about a campaign that I have right now going on my channel. For the week of May the 7th, so May the 7th to the 14th, those videos that I make during that week, all of the proceeds on those videos for the month of May are going to be getting donated to an India Care Relief Fund to set up oxygen tank refill centers in hospitals in India. I've already posted some screenshots on the community portion of my channel with how much money we've raised. I'm gonna be doing more and more sharing of that stuff in my Discord community, which you guys can join. And I've been sharing that stuff and live updates of how much money we're generating on Twitter. Best thing that you guys can do to help this get going is just share and watch my videos. I don't need you to donate. I don't want you guys to donate. I just want you to share and watch the videos, and those proceeds will get donated. This way, my channel grows, we raise money, I win, India wins. I'm not asking you guys for money. If you guys want to donate to me and help me, because I can't work right now during COVID, go ahead and set up your Brave browser to do so. But let's hop into this video and start talking about the Zombie mipad 4. Now, specifically the reason that I'm calling this the Zombie mipad 4 project is this mipad 4 has literally been through hell. It's been dropped down a flight of stairs. This is my first screen replacement that I've had on it. I haven't updated the ROM in a super long time. And the first part of this is trying to find a newer, more stable ROM for this. Part 2 is going to be trying to find a place that will replace the screen for this in Hanoi and maybe seeing how much a battery replacement would be. I'm looking to start an online business here, and having a tablet would be something that could be very useful for me. That's all I'm gonna say about it. But let's go ahead, let's hop over the computer, let's go over into XDA developers and find a stable ROM or a better ROM with Android 11 for the mipad 4. Let's go. After going on the XDA developers for the mipad 4, it was nice to have seen there had been some new developments in regards to ROMs and recoveries for the device. I decided to download the Pitch Black recovery for the mipad 4, and because of the positive experience I've had with .os on my Redmi Note 10 Pro and enjoying a lot of the tweaks and customizations of it, I went ahead and I downloaded the .os port for the mipad 4. Now, I had a couple of issues with flashing the ROM to start. After switching to the Pitch Black recovery for the mipad 4, it solved all those issues. Now, getting to this repair shop in the heart of Hanoi, I was pleasantly surprised to see a large variety of OEM and high quality replacement parts that they had in the shop. There I had a Mi Max 2 battery in my hand, and they went about replacing the digitizer, not the full LCD screen. I ended up getting a new case, which was the same case I'd had 3 years ago for the tablet, and it all cost me $700. Hey guys, so here is the finished Zombie mipad 4. You know what, let's go ahead and let's tear off. I'll get a new vinyl on this. But let's show you guys. This tablet has been through hell. It's got a dent on the back, as you can see. The sides of it are, you know what, let's just do a montage of beauty shots for you guys. As you guys can see, the physical condition of this tablet is pretty bad. I mean, pretty freaking bad. But the shop did a great job at replacing the front digitizer. The whole thing came to $700K, so it was a pretty reasonable deal. Because I use these magnetic ports for all of my devices, the USB Type-C port on it still feels nice, and I haven't encountered any issues with it. Now, performance, I've chosen to run .os. I'm running it on my Redmi Note 10 Pro, and I absolutely love it. and I have the One Plus launcher so that I can pin certain apps open that I use a lot, like Telegram and Brave browser, which Brave browser is my preferred browser of choice. And if you guys have Brave browser and you want to go ahead and send me some of your crypto, you can go ahead and choose to do that on the top of your screen or go, and you can just tip me, and it goes a long way, and it makes me feel good that people want to support me. But overall, I'm actually really surprised at how responsive this tablet is for a 3.5-year-old device. And I'm quite impressed with the fact that, I mean, it works. It works decently well. Let's go ahead and check out some statistics on my website. And if you guys are looking for ROM flashing guides for any device, I was talking about some of the Xiaomi devices, but you have these available for all of them. Really, I would say that the biggest thing holding back this tablet in 2021 is the fact that tablet applications are still not very well optimized for the larger form factor, and we haven't seen much in the way from Google in regards to making the tablet ecosystem kind of better overall. Great example of that is if we go into Google Calendar is still not terribly optimized. You know, in landscape mode, it's a little bit better, but still would love to see more applications take advantage of the extra screen real estate. Here, let's take a look at another Google application for you guys. Keep Notes. And again, tablet optimization, not the greatest. So really in 2021, tablets are being held back by Android a lot, and a lot by Android optimized applications. Instagram is a great example of that. Even though Instagram is a huge application, there's still no tablet optimized application for it. Some of the Google applications work okay in portrait mode. Here you guys can see Google Maps. And Google Maps is still kind of a ton of wasted space and not that optimized for tablet mode. But if you guys have an old mipad 4 and you want to breathe new life into it, .os, great thing to do. If you got the screen damaged, you guys can get the screens replaced now for really cheap. Battery replacement for these is also really, really cheap, even though the big 6,000 milliamp hour cell gets respectable battery life with this ROM on it. So if you guys liked this Zombie mipad 4 using old stuff, maybe I can review some performance on it and show you guys gaming samples. Let me know in the comment section down below. Peace.